If you want to fade video to white in DaVinci Resolve 20, this is the fastest and cleanest way to do it. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can create a smooth white fade at the end of a clip or wherever you need the transition to happen. This is a simple effect, but it can make your edits look much more polished and professional. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy DaVinci Resolve tutorials. First, locate the video clip on your timeline where you want the fade to white to begin. The timeline is where all the action happens, so zoom in if needed and place your playhead exactly where you want the transition to start. Getting the timing right is important because even a small adjustment can change how smooth the fade feels. Next, open the Effects library by clicking the Effects button in the top left corner of the interface. This is where DaVinci Resolve keeps all of its built-in transitions, effects, and generators, so once you know where it is, you can come back here anytime for other edits as well. Inside the Effects library, go to the Toolbox category, then click Video Transitions. This section contains the standard transition tools you'll use for most timeline edits, including dissolves and specialized fade effects. It's one of the most useful areas in Resolve when you want to control how one clip ends or blends into another. Now scroll through the list and find Dip to Color Dissolve. This is the exact transition you want because it allows the video to dissolve through a solid color instead of just fading directly into black or another clip. That makes it perfect for creating a fade to white. Once you find it, click and drag the Dip to Color Dissolve transition onto the end of your video clip. If you want the effect at the end of the clip, drop it right on the edge where the clip finishes. This creates the transition and tells Resolve to start fading your footage into the chosen color. After placing it, click the transition icon on the timeline so it highlights in red. That means it is selected, and now you can change its properties. This step matters because the default settings are usually not enough if you want the fade to end in white instead of the default color. With the transition selected, open the Inspector panel in the top right corner and go to the Transition tab. This is where DaVinci Resolve gives you control over the transition's behavior, including color and duration. If you don't see the inspector, make sure it is enabled so you can access those settings. Now click the color swatch, which usually starts as black. This will open the color picker window. The color picker lets you choose the exact color the transition fades into, so this is the key step for turning a regular dip into a white fade. Select Pure White from the color palette, or if you want to be precise, enter 255 for the R, G, and B values, then click OK. Once you do that, the transition will use white as the fade color, and your clip will transition smoothly into a full white frame. If the fade is too fast or too slow, just drag the edges of the transition icon on the timeline to adjust the duration. A longer transition gives you a softer, more gradual fade, while a shorter one creates a quicker flash to white. This is where you can fine-tune the look so it matches the style of your video. And that's how to fade video to white in DaVinci Resolve 20. It only takes a few steps once you know where to look, and it's a great technique for endings, dramatic cuts, or clean visual transitions. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next DaVinci Resolve tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.